Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to cover another important tutorial of PIC18F instruction set, and in this tutorial we are going to study and understand SWAPF instruction. This SWAPF instruction is used to swap the two nibbles, right? For example, one can see that there are 8 bits in each file register. For example, 00 hex contain 56 hex, right? So we can actually swap their higher nibble and lower nibble uh, themselves, right? So if this 56 can be made as 65 hex, or 7b can be made as b7 hex, right? And we can do it using this swapf command, right? The syntax is, after the keyword we will write file register comma d bit. D bit is destination bit. If d is equal to 0 or w, that means the swapped data will move to the working register, right? And if d is equal to 1 or f, then destination would be what? File register. So uh, that means whatever the file register we are actually swapping their nibbles, they will restored into the same file register. For example, we can take an example, right? So swap f 00 hex, right? Let's say we write f here. That means we want to keep the result in the file register. So 00 hex is what? 56 hex, right? 5 is what? 5 is basically 0101. These are 4 bits, and 6 is what? 0110. That is the lower 4 bit, right? So this is the higher level, and the other is the lower nibble, right? So how you can check it? This is the higher nibble and this is the lower nibble. So we can actually interchange them using this swapf command, or you can swap them, right? So this will become what? 65 hex, right? 65 hex if I write it in hexadecimal, right? So after the modification, this result will become what? 65 hex, right? 65 hex, right? So that, since destination was file register, that is why result came into the same file register. You can also use it like swap f, and we are swapping 01 hex, right? And this time we are moving the data into the working register. So what will move, what will happen? We will swap the 01 hex file register. File register content is 7b. So if you swap it, it will become what? b7, and b7 will be moved into the working register, because this time the destination bit is what? W. Okay, I hope you have understand the concept of SWAPF instruction. If you have any confusion, you can post your queries in comment section. Thank you so much for listening.